everyone. Our today's debate is about the present issues of the impacts of human activities to the ecosystem. Our debaters will present arguments for and against the continued development of our ecosystem. We'll begin with the pro-development team. Pro-development team, you have the floor.
In the face of environmental challenges, it's easy to focus on the negative impact of human activity that affected our planet. However, as we move into 2024, it's crucial to recognize and celebrate the positive impact of human on the environment by highlighting the inspiring strategies, innovation, and individual action that are making difference. We can foster a sense of hope and encourage more people to become environmental stewards. As posted by the blog of Trout Book Arborists, they have explored the many ways human can positively influence environment and create more sustainable future.
Indeed, according to the same blog, there are inspiring samples of human positive impact on the environment, such as deforestation, habitat restoration, renewable energy adoption, sustainable agricultural practices, waste of production and recycling, and environmental education and raising awareness.
We will now give the floor to the pro-restoration team to present their counter-arguments.
The impact of all the main drivers of biodiversity loss is accelerating, and as a consequence, so is the phase of biodiversity decline. According to the blog of the Royal Society, there has been a growing demand for natural resources due to the increasing human population, more rapidly increasing per capita consumption, and changing consumption patterns has meant that ever more natural habitat is being used for agriculture, mining, and industrial infrastructure, and urban areas.
Agree. According to the study of George Hope et al., the land is cleared for housing, commercial development, and infrastructure due to rapid urbanization as well as increase in population put pressure on the forest resources. As cities grow larger with the need for more land, urban population expand at the expense of forest most times. Many developing countries have informal settlements, plus slums, encroaching on woods, leading to unplanned felling down trees, hence insecurity.
Pro-development team for counter-arguments.
Well, as stated in the study of Science Direct, this study focused on the negative and positive influences of human activities on 5 macro to micro aspects of an ecosystem. Humans have begun to realize the seriousness of their negative influences and the importance of natural ecosystem conservation, several ideas and measures for sustainable development. Ecosystem health maintenance and ecosystem-based management have been developed and widely applied. The ecosystem integrity, stability, and sustainability have been the ultimate goals pursued by humans for survival and development.
Absolutely. As mentioned in the article of the Impact Day, positive impacts that humans have on the environment can come from the change makers, such as the government institutions and businesses. But it can also come from the individuals taking small actions like cleaning trash or planting trees. Oftentimes, these small steps towards creating a clean planet have the biggest impact.
Pro-restoration team shall present their last counter-argument.
I firmly disagree. According to the blog Human Impact on the Environment, the negative impact on the environment by human activity goes deep. For instance, deforestation not only disrupts ecosystems but also contributes to climate change. Pollution from industrial emissions to plastic waste in our oceans poses a severe threat to environment and human health. Resource extraction, urbanization, and agricultural practices further impact the environment in a negative way, leading to dry land and species extinction.
Indeed, according to the study about the purpose and impact of environmental advocacy, it is a crucial movement dedicated to preserving and protecting our planet, natural resources, and ecosystems. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from policy reform and legal actions to public campaigns and grassroots organizing aimed at addressing issues such as climate change, deforestation, and pollution. By emphasizing a pivotal role in ensuring a healthier and more sustainable future for all.
Thank you to our debaters for their insightful arguments. The issues of the impacts of human activities to our ecosystem is complex and requires careful consideration of economic, social, and environmental factors. The discussion today highlights the need for sustainable solutions that balance the development process with environmental protection.